Did you know Google is one of the most powerful technology companies in the world? Gemini Flash 3.1 Live Real-Time Conversational AI Gemini Text-to-Speech Google's Or, what if there was a way to access Google's entire AI ecosystem from one simple dashboard without paying $250 to $350 every single month? What if you could access Google's most advanced AI models without paying expensive monthly Step 1. Log into GemVerse AI, sign in to GemVerse AI, and select what you want to create: content, images, videos, voiceovers, code, or research. Step 2. Pick any Google AI model. Just choose the best AI model like Gemini, Veo, Imagen, or let AI decide for you and enter your prompt in simple words. Step 3. Get results, publish, and profit. Instantly generate high-quality outputs like content, images, videos, voiceovers, code, and research reports. Then download, publish, or use them to earn money. Here's everything you're getting today. When you get started with GemVerse AI today, you'll receive instant access to Gemini 3.1 Pro, Gemini 3.1 Flash, Gemini Deep Research, Gemini Live Imagen 4, Nano Banana, Veo 3, Gemini Text-to-Speech, because right now, you can get instant access to GemVerse AI for a low one-time fee only. And your purchase is completely risk-free. You're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you decide GemVerse AI isn't for you, we'll refund every penny. But here's the important part. This is a limited-time launch offer. Once this special launch ends, the price will increase. Monthly pricing may be introduced, early access bonuses may be removed. So if you want to lock in lifetime access at the lowest possible price, now is the time to act. The AI revolution is already here. The question is, will you continue paying hundreds of dollars every month to access Google's most powerful AI models? Or will you unlock the entire Google AI ecosystem from one simple dashboard for a low one-time fee? Click the button below now to get instant access to GemVerse AI today and experience what happens when you put the power of Gemini, Veo 3, Imagen 4, Nano Banana, Gemini Deep Research, Gemini Voice AI, and more to work for you, without the expensive monthly fees. Google has already spent billions building the future of AI. GemVerse AI simply puts that power at your fingertips. Now it's your turn to take advantage of it. Click the button below and get instant access to GemVerse AI today. We'll see you inside.